2 EPCB gas-fired steam boilers are ready for shipment to the customer site. The boiler body is constructed of high-quality steel and fully automated welding, resulting in a sturdy and reliable structure. With a thermal efficiency of up to 98, it consistently outputs food-grade clean steam. With high efficiency, energy saving, safety, and environmental protection as their core advantages, these 2 boilers provide food factories with consistently high-quality steam, helping to improve production quality and efficiency. Equipped with imported brand burners, they offer efficient combustion, automatic adjustment, and energy conservation and environmental protection. A complete water treatment system effectively removes scale and extends boiler life. High-performance water pumps and tanks ensure a stable water supply to the system, minimizing production fluctuations. The deaerator effectively removes dissolved oxygen and carbon dioxide from the feed water, preventing corrosion in the boiler system and extending equipment life. The energy saver fully recovers waste heat from boiler exhaust, improving overall boiler thermal efficiency, reducing gas consumption, and achieving energy conservation and emission reductions. Chimneys efficiently discharge combustion gases, ensuring safe and stable boiler operation while also improving the workshop environment and complying with environmental protection requirements. A full set of instruments and valves provides real-time monitoring of operating status, ensuring easy operation and safety. EPCB consistently adheres to high-quality manufacturing and comprehensive service, providing customers with one-stop boiler solutions from design and production to installation and commissioning. EPCB, your personal boiler system expert.